Hello 18, update tayo sa simula at wakas ng concert ng SB19 sa Auckland, New Zealand. Ang ticket mag-start ng magbenta September 19 to 21, 12 p.m. Tickets out now. At ang concert syempre December 12, 7 p.m. The Trust Arena. Again, December 12, ang main concert at ang start ng benta ng ticket ay September 19 to 21 at ang concert ticket inclusion as VIP standing, Platinum at General admissions. Ayan po, nakalista po dyan, nakasulat. Tingnan po natin. At narito po ang itsura ng venue ng concert, ang mga upuan. All prices exclusive for ticketing charges. Ticket selling starts September 19 to 21 sa www.humantext.com. Handog sa inyo ng 1Z Entertainment, Live Nation, A-Talent, MLV, at marami pang ibang sponsor kasama ang SB19.